Welcome to Brain Vision.
Calculating angular acceleration. So writing v final equals to v initial plus alpha t, and as omega final is equals to 0, so from here alpha comes out to be minus omega initial divided by t. Okay, and omega initial is equals to minus 200 k cap, and time is 10 second. So from here alpha equals to 20 k cap radian per second square. Now general equation of omega will be omega initial plus alpha t k cap. Okay, so omega initial is minus 200 plus 20 t k cap. Okay, 20 t k cap. So this is the general equation for the omega. Now proceeding to obtain the velocity vector at point P, we can write Vp equals to Va plus omega cross RAP. Okay, these are the vector quantities. So Vp will be equals to Va is equals to 0 at a point, so 0 plus omega is this, so minus 200 plus 20t cross RAP is equals to minus 0. K cap 0.550 j cap plus 0.150 k cap. So after performing the cross product, we get Vp equals to 110 minus 11 t I cap. Okay, this is the velocity of point P. So now finally, after having velocity at point P, we can calculate acceleration at point P as AP equals to AA vector plus alpha vector cross RAP vector plus omega vector cross VP vector. Okay, so now substituting the values, this is equals to 0, so AP vector equals to 0 plus alpha is 20 k cap cross RAP is 0.550 j cap plus 0.150 k cap plus omega vector is equals to minus 200 plus 20 t k cap cross Vp vector is equals to this, so 110 minus 11 t I cap. Okay, now performing the cross product, acceleration at point P comes out to be minus 11 I cap minus 20 by 11 110 minus 11 t whole square j cap. So this is the acceleration of point P. So from the diagram we can write tan theta equals to acceleration of point P along the x direction divided by acceleration of point P along the y direction. So from here we can write values of x and y direction, minus 11 divided by minus 20 by 11 110 minus 11 t whole square. Okay, and theta is equals to 15 degree. So from here after rearranging we can write 110 minus 11 t whole square equals to 11 square divided by 20 10 15 degree. Okay, so now after rearranging we can write t equals to 10 minus 1 by under root 20 10 15 degree. So after solving it, time t comes out to be 9.57 seconds. Okay, this is the answer of this question.